Hello students, welcome to online classes. In the earlier classes we studied about the topic name called festivals and fairs. I hope you understood. So how was your studies were going on? It's good? Okay. Let's start with the practice it again. First one is fill in the blanks. First, the goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha are worshipped on dash. In our chapter we studied that on what day? During the Deepavali, 3 days we will celebrate the Deepavali. During that the goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha are worshipped. That is, worshipped is nothing but we will do the puja. That is nothing but worshipped on Deepavali. Second, dash is an important festival for Muslim people. Yes, Ramzan is the important festival for our Muslim people. Yes, our friends, they were celebrating their festival name called Ramzan, the Muslim people. Third, first day of Deepavali is celebrated as dash. First day of Deepavali is celebrated as Naraka Chaturdashi. Fourth, dash is celebrated on third day of Deepavali, Balipadhami. Balipadhami is celebrated on third day of Deepavali. Fifth, in the month of dash, people fast during the day and celebrate the festival on the last day. Yes, in the month of Ramzan, yes, our friends, they will be fasting during the day. Yes, during the day they will be fasting, and on the last day they will celebrate. Yes, you might have went to your friends home and ate all the nice dishes. Yes. Sixth, on dash, Christmas is celebrated by Christian people on 25th December. Christmas will be celebrated. Choose the correct option. First, people worship cow on this festival. A. Deepavali. B. Dasara. C. Holi. D. Makara Sankranti. Answer is Deepavali. Next. Special cakes are baked on for this festival. A. Eid. B. Christmas. C. Holi. D. Deepavali. Yes, on which day? Yes, on the day of Christmas. Yes, on 25th December, the people who will be celebrating this festival, they will be baking special cakes on that day. Third, people enjoy for firework and crackers on these festivals. Yes, students, you might have, yes, you will be enjoy to firework and crack the crackers. On which day will you crack the crackers? On Dasara? No. Then A. Dasara, B. Christmas, C. Deepavali, D. all of this. So answer is Deepavali. During Deepavali, we will be cracking the crackers. Fifth, fair are also dash festivals. A. Individual, B. Community, C. Social, D. none of the above. So fairs are also a community festival. Yes, do you know? Can you tell me why we are calling a fairs as a community festival? Yes, because see, fairs are celebrated. How those fairs are celebrated? You have saw the fairs. Yes, there will be a number of people will be there to celebrate the festival at a time. So all the people of the community, yes, that local or that place where the people is living, they come all together and celebrate the festival. So it is also called as the community festival. Next, match the following. Yes, try to answer, students. So match the following. Yes, try to tell the answer. First is Raksha Bandhana. How we celebrate Raksha Bandhana? It is the festival of brother and sister. Good. Makara Sankranti. Makara Sankranti is the festival of kites. Yes, you might have saw. Yes, in films also, in TV also, they were showing on that day different colors of kites were, yes, So it is a festival of kites. Yes, and also you will be celebrating it at your home also. So Holi, how the Holi is, it is a festival of colors. Next, Dashera. Dashera is the celebrated for how many days? For 9 days. Ramzan, they will be fast during the day. Yes, for a whole month they will be fast during the day. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Yes students, understood? Shall we move next? Next, true or false? First, festival bring people together. True or false? It's true, because when the festival is celebrated, yes, at that time all the family members will come together. If, for example, if one of family members is living away from the home, then what will they do? They'll come for the festival. So it will bring the people together. And also you have saw in your home also, you will be, if your mom cooks anything special, so during the festival you will share with your neighbors, with friends. Yes or no? So it brings the people together. Which festival? Festival bring people together. Second, Deepavali is celebrated for 5 days. True or false? Definitely it is a false, because we celebrate the Deepavali for 3 days. Good. Third, Christmas tree is decorated on Holi, which is false. So when the Christmas tree is decorated? On Christmas Day. Next, fourth, fairs are all community festivals. Now only we studied that fairs are called community festivals. Why? Because the people of that locality will come together and celebrate it. So it is a community festival. Fifth, people decorate their houses with, yes, people will decorate their houses with diyas on Holi. Yes, it is a DIYA. Yes, after that little bit space you leave on Holi. Yes, people will decorate their houses with diyas, DIYAS, on Holi. True or false? It is false. So what it is? When we will decorate the house with diyas, DIYAS, on Deepavali. Very good. Sixth, a fair is also called as Utsava, which is true. And what is the another name of Utsava fair which has been given in your reader? Please tell me. Yes, Urusa. Very good. Seventh, on Eid, people give money and clothes to poor people, which is true. Yes, during the festivals, all the religious people, yes, it might be any festival, the people who are celebrating, they'll be giving some clothes or money to the poor people, which everyone has to do. Yes, I hope you are understanding. Answer the following questions. First, how do people celebrate Deepavali? Answer, people wear new clothes. Yes, you only in your home. Yes, you will be first, what you will do? You will wear the new clothes, decorate your house with diyas and light the lamps. Next, eat sweets and share with neighbors. Of course, you will eat the sweets and also you will share with neighbors, friends. Next, D, enjoy firework and crackers. E, do puja of goddess Lakshmi and cow. Second question, how do people celebrate Ramzan? Yes, people wear new clothes, and in the month of Ramzan, what they will do? Yes, people will do the fast during the day. Next, on the last day, Ramzan is celebrated, yes, which we all know, and they will prepare these sweet dishes. Yes, can you tell me the different dishes they cook? One or two? Yes, sevaya, which is a sweet dish. Yes, and other, they'll cook the different kinds of rice. So they prepare the sweet dishes and other special dishes. Eat sweets and share with neighbors definitely. And F, go to the mosque for prayer. Yes, the people, they'll go to the mosque for prayer. Third, how do people celebrate Christmas? People wear new clothes. B, go to the church for prayer. C, decorate Christmas tree. Yes, on that day they'll decorate the Christmas tree very nicely. You might have saw. And D, meet and greet friends and relatives. E, make special cakes. F, eat sweets and share with neighbors. Fourth question, why fair is called community festival, which we studied already. Answer, all the people of the place or locality gather together and celebrate festival. Hence, fair is called community festival. I hope you understood the lesson. Students, please read at your home. Thank you.